Wouldn't you hate to have to make a cut this long by hand? I would. That's what the VCM100 gives you. It's designed for those long, continuous cuts with the precision that you need. Okay, let's talk about setup. There's 3 things that you really need to take into consideration when setting up a tractor. First, your torch. Your torch is not going to be any different than you're going to work with your handheld torch. Look at your guide, get all of your pressure settings based on the consumable that you're working with and the size of the material. The second thing is torch angle. When we're looking at it now, I'm working a straight cut. Now I may need to make a bevel. Get your angle correct and then you start working with your cut. The last thing, and this is important to remember, unlike with hand cutting, you're listening and you're feeling the way your cut is making, this is going to follow whatever you set up. But you want to get it right when you start. I always recommend use a test plate, get the speed accurate, then put your finished material up to make your final cuts.